What is a wet cough? A wet cough is any cough that brings up phlegm. It's also called a productive cough because you can feel the excess phlegm moving up and out of your lungs. After productive coughs, you will feel phlegm in your mouth. The cough reflex is a defense mechanism that helps protect your body from irritants, like dust in the air. When your nervous system detects an irritant in your airways, it warns your brain. Your brain sends a message to the muscles in your chest and abdomen, telling them to contract and push out a burst of air. Unfortunately, your cough reflex is easily triggered by mucus. A wet, productive cough is almost always a sign of a viral or bacterial infection, especially in children. When you have an upper respiratory infection, like a cold or flu, your body produces more mucus than normal. In your nose, you may call this mucus snot. But in your chest, it's called phlegm. When phlegm accumulates in your chest, it can be hard to breathe. You may cough more at night, because phlegm accumulates at the back of your throat when you lie down. Although it can disrupt sleep, a wet cough is usually nothing to worry about. Viruses take time to run their course, so your cough may last several weeks, but it will usually resolve without treatment. Wet cough at home and natural remedies. Wet coughs are usually caused by a virus. There isn't much a doctor can do but recommend tips for alleviating the symptoms. Save yourself a trip to the doctor with these natural home remedies for wet cough. Here are top 5 home remedies for a wet cough. 1. Salt water gargle. Gargling with salt water several times a day provides significant relief from cough. Salt helps remove mucus from the respiratory tract, while the warm water reduces irritation in the throat. Plus, the antiseptic property of salt may help fight any infection that may have caused the illness. 2. Steamy shower. A steamy shower can help you moisten your upper airways. It may also help break up the mucus in your chest. Try to stay in the shower or in a steamy bathroom for at least 5 minutes. You can repeat as needed. 3. Honey. Honey is another well-known home remedy for cough. It helps reduce the thickness of the mucus and promotes its easy removal from the respiratory tract. Also, being high in antiviral and antibacterial properties, honey helps fight infection. How to use. 1. Put 1 large organic onion, halved and thinly sliced, and 1 teaspoon of dried thyme, or 3 teaspoons of fresh thyme, in a glass, ceramic, or non-stick saucepan, and add enough honey to fully cover the ingredients. Preferably 2 cups of raw local honey. 2. Simmer over low heat for 1 hour, until the onion becomes juicy and soft. 3. Pour the mixture into a glass jar, cover with lid, and label. You can store this in the refrigerator for up to 1 month. 4. Consume 1 tablespoon of this honey thyme elixir daily during cold season to prevent or treat a cold. 4. Thyme and clove tea. Research shows that both thyme and clove have antimicrobial properties. Either as essential oils or tinctures, they may help your body fight off an upper respiratory infection. Add fresh thyme and clove leaves to boiling water. Allow to boil for 10 minutes, then strain and serve. 5. Apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar is another effective remedy. Apple cider vinegar helps thin the mucus in the chest, thus reducing coughing and helping you breathe better. It even boosts your immunity, which greatly helps prevent cough in the first place. How to use. Add 2 teaspoons of organic raw, unfiltered apple cider vinegar to 1 cup of lukewarm water. Mix in 1 teaspoon of raw honey and mix well. Mix 1/2 cup of raw, unfiltered apple cider vinegar with 1/2 cup water. Boil the mixture and remove it from the stove. Put a towel over your head and inhale the steam for 3-5 minutes through your nose with your mouth and eyes closed. Repeat a few times a day. Now if you found this video valuable, please support us by subscribing to our YouTube channel and make sure you follow us on Instagram.